Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to share your Xiaomi Smart Electric Kettle 2 Pro with someone else. It can be done if the other person that you'd like to share it with already has the Xiaomi Home app installed and signed in. So I'll bring my other phone and sign into a different account, and I'll show you how to do it. Now on the phone that is already connected, you'll need to click on 3 dots in the top right corner. Then Share Device. Now you can share via a phone number or a Xiaomi account ID or the email address. So I'll go into the account to check the credentials. And okay, it has the Xiaomi account ID. That's what I'll enter because I signed in with Google, so I'm not sure if the phone number or something will work. And the ID should work definitely. So let's enter it. Click on OK, click on Allow. And then let's see if it's already there or if I need to approve it. It never wants to click with the first try. Yeah, as you can see, I got a notification that HardReset wants to share a device with me. Let's click on Agree. Now it's accepted. So if I go back, I have access to the kettle. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.